Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore the word dissipate. It's a useful word, but its meaning can vary depending on the context. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what dissipate means and how to use it in different situations. Let's dive in. So what does dissipate mean? Dissipate means to scatter or disappear. It's often used when something gradually fades away or is lost over time. It can also mean wasting or spending something, like energy, resources, or even emotions. Example, the fog began to dissipate as the sun rose. In this example, dissipate means that the fog slowly disappeared as the day went on. Let's look at a few more examples to help you understand how dissipate is used. The heat from the fire will dissipate after a few hours. Her anger quickly dissipated after they talked things out. The energy of the crowd dissipated after the concert ended. As you can see, dissipate is used when something gradually fades, disappears, or is spent. Now let's look at different ways to use dissipate in various contexts. In science, dissipate is often used to talk about energy or heat spreading out and disappearing. Example, the wind dissipated the smoke from the fire. In emotions or feelings, you can use dissipate to describe how emotions like anger or tension can fade away or disappear over time. Example, after a deep breath, her anxiety began to dissipate. In resources, dissipate can also mean wasting or using up something, like money or energy. Example, the company's resources were dissipated due to poor management. Quick recap, dissipate means to scatter, disappear, or fade away. It can refer to things like heat, energy, emotions, or resources slowly disappearing or being wasted. You use dissipate when talking about something that gradually disappears or is used up over time. Now you know how to use dissipate in different situations. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful English lessons. Drop a comment below if you want me to explain more words. See you next time and keep learning.